Sorry, I pressed the wrong button. Ow, that's not the toy, that's my hand. You look just like Hugo. But you're Dexter. Looky. Hey, Dexter. Looky. No, that's my pants. No, Dexter, no. No. Whatever you got in your mouth, spit it out. No, drop it. Drop it now. Okay, he just swallowed something unknown. Bad idea. Keep eating things that you're not supposed to. And you're having too much fun with that toy. That was a clock, buddy. I can't find it. All you ever do is hit yourself. Got a scratch, buddy? Why are you always aiming for my foot? Natalie!